I don't know why Mota go even start talking this egotistical impia, you know. You don't know, I joke that big up yourself, Mota Baruka. Teacher, elder. Trust me, you crack the nut. You bust the whole away. From 1993. But yeah, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. You know, see it. Big up the thing I made the thing nice. You know, see it. Yeah. Without further ado, you don't know. We have to address the issue with the little girl and her parents who recently, in the heart of Jamaica of all places, turned away from school because she got dreadlocks on her head. I mean, that's diabolical. That's unbelievable. That's that's beyond words. That's like it's not Jamaica who is thinking. It's like another society who is applying these rules to ours. You understand me? Because everybody in Jamaica accept Rasta and know what Rasta is about. Rasta is not a problem to Jamaican. Rasta is the least of Jamaicans' problem. Put it this way then, yeah. One of the easiest man to get away from gunman, police, soldier, judge is a Rasta man. You understand? One of the easiest man to be believed is a Rasta man. Me I tell you that. I care what kind of stereotype or what them want to add to the character. You know, see it. Most gunman just know say a natty that him not hurt to him not business with him gone boy in business. Most police again are the same way them I think is a natty that him not hurt to him gone boy in business. The judge again I see him way the judge I think. The judge I say, you know, say Rasta man that I just look weed him up, the man and too. You know see it. It's hard for believe say him go a walk and a broke people place. And me not say with man with locks not do them thing then, but me I say it harder for people in authority, local authority, for believe certain characteristics about a Rasta man. You understand me? So all of that goes to complement the fact that Rasta is a credit to the society. Rasta is a credit to the economy. Rasta has affected and impacted masses across the world. This is from out of Jamaica. You understand me? It's like, I mean, it's one aspect of Jamaica that is most known across the world. You understand me? I mean, advertisement is what popularized and enhanced and developed an economy. You get where I'm coming from. Rasta and ganja is synonymous to the island. And everybody know this. So how I know the JLP government don't mean Jamaica no good whatsoever. You get what I'm saying? Because Jamaica should be marketed, encased with Rasta and ganja and marketed that way. That's why the youth them haven't got much hope, because the guys them who are meant to be dreaming about the plan and the project is not making it happen according to the ability, according to the prospect of the island. You understand me? Some guy I watch China, some guy I watch Singapore, some guy I watch America and Germany and Russia. And we don't have the ability and the resources like these powers. You understand? We need to use what we got at our disposal. You know what our prime minister them should have do if they had any decorum or plans for the island, them should have subsidized plane fare, because them said the international market had destroyed Jamaican tourist economy from in the 70s with high tourist prices. You know, so going to Australia is almost twice the distance of going to Jamaica. Yet the price of going to Australia is almost half the price of going to Jamaica. That's a blatant international sabotage of our tourism market. You understand? But just like with banana or backside steamer that was taken out of the belly of the people, because when Jamaican people can feed them belly, them say other people business and talk about it. Across the world, me not talk mix up down here. Them see apartheid, them see things like that and them burn it out. But when you're hungry, I feel I watch the Akichi them and I think, oh, you are going to eat tomorrow. So you don't get to see nobody else's business and you know, pay politics no mind. Them can get to do what them do and fangle dangle and get through. You understand what I say? So if Jano, you know, if our guy them did have any form of imagination whatsoever, them would have market Jamaica of such rather than try to trample down ganja and try to trample down the culture as it appears as seductive. You know, the seduction to the culture, them a trample it down. You understand? Cause you not tell me nothing but what Rasta do to Jamaica culture. You can go look on the rent a dread them down a mobile and that will tell you a lesson. That will teach you something in economics. You stupid. Me not like how your head big in a boy. You come, yeah, just remind me of a waff dog, you know, straight in a prime minister. You come like I just that you just dead for. So like somebody if you just in case you in a concrete down a waff and tie ship on your ass head. You know see it? Oh, you fight Rasta to the rest of the world. If you want to hate Rasta, you keep that to yourself. Aya. You know, see it. You fight Rasta to the rest of the world. You shot yourself in your foot. Because the same tourist money where you are thief, I get lesson. When you do that, people over the world, people all over the world hold Rasta to higher regards than they do you. Muta Baruka is vastly more respected, relevant, and desired by the international public than you. Bob Marley is a significant symbol worldwide. Who are you to not honor every strand of hair upon that man's head? Waff dog politician, eh? Whoa, or you for sit down there and make one little institution. I got desire to turn away a little schoolgirl from school because she got locks on her head, eh? So you know, realize when you jump up the other day, some know you're idiot, you go back way, because when you jump up and say, all right, yeah, compensation for the victims of the Coral Garden massacre. Compensation for them. We set up a package. And yes, and you come back, come spitting at the man them face again by doing this to the next generation of Rasta. So what you do? You use the money to take care of them man till them pass, and then I eat that. The rest of nobody else don't recognize. You understand what I say? But they've not watched the clock that time, you know, cause oh. And then I run, you know, you see the JLP government have a special level of hate for Rasta, you know. The JLP government have a special duty. And them not feel for prove that every administration come in, always rush Rasta. You know, see I got to Bruce Golden, the Real Madrid them. They have to run up and down all over the place, you know. The man them mess up Real, you know, run out the peaceful Rasta them, you know, make them have to run up and down and go all about, you know. Me remember that, you know. Me said this is a personal agenda. This not have nothing to do with etiquette or decency or nothing like that. You know, see it. This is a personal attack on Rasta. Significantly, in a boy at time come like them have a disrespect for Rasta in them legacy. It come like some people abroad, some boy or some youth and girl who wanna be gangsters feel like say if them not this a Jamaican, you know, them can't be gangster, you know. Or if you this a Jamaican, it's like a fast track to gangsterism, especially boy, you know. You know, see. So I come like I same thing with that guy here. Forget a fast track. Forget a fast track to fame glory, man, for this Rasta. Or every JLP government coming up power, forget recognition, forget accepted in a big club. Get accepted in a big club, you have to diss a Rasta. For this Rasta, you have to diss the culture. Every JLP government do that. You know, see. Me now I'm gonna talk what PNP do for Rasta in regards to black culture. You go search and find out. You go do the research. You know, see. But Mr. Grime Sinister, conjure loneliness, Yo, I want to tell you, man. Remember, you know, and we come trouble you, you know. Remember that, yeah. And we trouble, you know. Yeah? The babe up and the suckling. You know, distress. I want to tell you, coward. I want to tell you, push it in. You push for your desire. Me notice you do everything where you do in your power, you know, you do it. Me know you do it under the vibe. You know, say, the people, them. Will rush in, it come like you just prick the people with a pin for them bus by you one day. They don't know where you come so. You don't see it. You don't see it. Boy, I'm not telling you a lie. You're a devil. But I want to tell you, man. Eh? Hmm? Not even in America, them think they can go on again. Nowhere in England, the picnic can go in. All me go in a court, you know. I go a court in England with my thing on like this, you know. Seeing and Clark a court run me out of the court, you know. See? I'm say, alright, everything, Chris, and just go back outside. See? I'm out there for like a minute. Cause she'll get me out before the judge come in, because she said the judge soon come in and thing like that. And for all stand and and me if take off me. I said, no, it's a limit, you done. No, I can't do that. See? You know, the judge is right behind the door anyway. See? So she sent me out of the court and I come out. See? By me, stand up by me, reach outside in the hallway, man. I see me here, I look for my man. See? And so come the judge want to talk to you. And carry me back in the courthouse, man. And the judge apologized to my man. Said, Natty, everything Chris, man. Keep it at hand and sit down, man. Have a seat. Enjoy the proceedings. So give thanks, blessed love. You know, sit down like sizzler, cause you have to give them, no matter who you is, you know, in a earth, you know. You know, see it. It's when you're on a Rasta, you have to honor them like your name Bob Marley. You have to honor Rasta like your name Bob Marley, Muta Baruch, or any one of them legendary figure there. After movement, you have to take the honor and give it back. You have, what you mean? Well, we are general, you know, regardless, you know, see it. Well, we have top ranking and high ranking, you know, see it. Some don't know who you think you is. Conjure loneliness, grime sinister of Jamaica. You know, do that, man. You know, do that, man. Free Rasta, man. And go with your dirty self, man. Attention you're looking at, you just want attention seeking boy, you know. You know, see it. You could have some skeleton in your closet. You know, see it. You violate. But now I want to tell you, attention you look, man. Attention you look, because you know, see it. A Rasta you want to come off for you, man. But me I tell you, man, my word, them burn people literally, you know. That more you know, you know. Me I make sure tell you, you know what you're up against. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You know, see the atmosphere where you blow out there. Bob Marley not tell you about the natural mystic. You know, see it. I saw you blind, or I saw you up in your, the devil up in your ass, and I so much secret him for you. That's all of them time I used to have to do and force you to do significant Jamaican grime sinister. Hmm? Yeah, me not telling a lie, you know. When they come like a base saltfish you take, you know. A buster you fall and take the saltfish and man they give you education, you know. Not telling a lie. You just look like a boy who just name him name pan a bowler anyway. Yes, I. You just look like one of them boy them. You might not be, you know, but you just look like a man where if a man see in a crowd, say if you in a crowd and a man will choose all a wise looking man, him not choose blood clot you Andrew Holness. Him not choose you. Cause you just look like you know right. Like you never blood clot ready for born it or you take too long for born or something. You just look like you know born on the right time. You know see. You don't even wear clocks right or ass clock. You don't even want me wear clocks again because you're not a clock swag, man. You don't have no Clark swag, Rasta. Me not tell a lie. You know see it. You down. You don't have no. Hey, you hear me? Alas, I still. You don't know. Wrong thing that you do, me general. You can't touch Rasta. You don't know. Total condemnation. Cripple yourself. I am movement. I am movement. Same thing, Buster. Same thing your boss Buster do, you know. When His Majesty come to Jamaica, it is rumored that he went blind for the 3-day duration that Emperor Haile Selassie was in Jamaica for. Go back and do your research. He went temporary blind. Never get to look upon the face of God. And you know, see them significance, the dunce dummy. I saw your friend them promise seductive. I saw the secret them where them have for you big and chang. That's you want to violate God all when you know say a God. Hmm? 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 Tell the children the truth, man. Big up yourself, parents. Big up yourself, little girl. You don't know. Hold the faith. You know, see. Jah done tell you say, from your choose fame path, you shall have all the government up on your shoulder. You know, see it. So you just hold the faith and hold the strength and just be done know a part of the fight, a part of the struggle. More love, more life. It not done there, so. We all the way there fight fair. You know, see. Because if a Britain here or a America there, we are take it to them. Share, like, and subscribe.